Hello friends, my name is Satish Yadav. Today we will be discussing about cloud computing. This video is one of the session of information and communications technologies. This video will help for those students who are preparing for ES examinations. So let's try to understand what is cloud computing. Cloud computing. In order to understand cloud computing, let's divide the cloud computing into two parts. The first one, computing. Whenever there is a computing, there is one word that comes to our mind, that is nothing but a computer. What is a computer? Computer that computes something. Computer that computes something with the help of processor and memory. So whenever there is a word computing, then this consists of processor and memory. Then what is a cloud over here? Cloud is a different name that has been used for internet. Cloud is a different name that has been used for anywhere, anytime. So a cloud is anywhere, anytime. Computing, processor or a storage. So anywhere, anytime, processor and storage. Let's try to simplify this such that you can understand. So anywhere, anytime, storage. So I have removed the processor word from here. Why? To make this whole thing as a simplified explanation. So anywhere, anytime, storage. Sir, you have removed the memory word. Memory is same as storage. So anywhere, anytime, storage. So are you trying to say that we can have the storage anywhere, anytime? Exactly. This is the thing I want to tell you. Anywhere, anytime storage. So for example, if you are moving with the bus, or you are into the bus, or into the train or a school or college, you can have this storage. Let's try to understand this thing with the help of one example. Now consider, here we have the storage and here this is you. You have given a storage thing to this storage. What is that? It can be photo, it can be videos or anything. Now you will move to the another place, then you can easily access that photo or videos. You will move to another place, so why you are moving? Anywhere. We can access the storage anywhere at any time. So you have moved to another place, you can access that storage. So anywhere, anytime storage. Then you must be thinking, you have heard this word cloud computing for mostly used by the companies. But right now I am giving you the explanation for independent person. No. Cloud computing, it is just now whatever I have explained, this is one type. We have a different types of cloud. So let's try to understand. We have the public cloud, we have the private cloud, we have the hybrid cloud, we have the community cloud. Let's talk about the first one, which is public cloud. Public cloud. Public cloud, it is mostly used by us. It is mostly used by the users. It is mostly used by you or a general public. So you can say that whenever a types of cloud or types of storage is used by a normal or general public, then it comes under public cloud. Example, Google Drive. You all are using Google Drive. So let's come to the previous example. Now consider over here we have the Google Drive storage. Here this is you can access your storage. Here this is another person, that person can access the storage. This is called as a public cloud. Let's come to the second one. This is called as a private cloud. So in this private cloud, mostly organization wants the storage. So let's see our example. Here we have the storage and here this is one organization. This organization wants to access the storage. So private cloud, it is mostly used by an organization. It is a dedicated storage. In the previous example, many users can share the storage, but in private cloud only independent organizations, they have dedicated storage. So this is the difference between public and private. Public, shareable storage. Private, dedicated storage. Let's come to the hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is nothing but if any organizations uses public cloud plus private cloud, then it comes under hybrid cloud. For example, Ace Academy, suppose Ace Academy wants to store all of its precious videos to the dedicated storage, then it comes under public, then it comes under private cloud. Then what is a public cloud? Public cloud is nothing but Ace Engineering Academy also replies to the students and they are using the email. So email is nothing but one of the example of public cloud, while Ace Engineering Academy storing all of its precious videos, that is private. So public plus private. This example suits the example or the types of hybrid cloud. This is called as the hybrid cloud. Now let's come to the community cloud. What is happening in community cloud is nothing but there are many organizations. These many organizations, they are coming with one idea such that let's buy one storage and let's try to divide the part of storage for us. For example, this is company 1, company 2, company 3. They are sharing the storage between them. This is called as what? The community cloud. You must be thinking why anyone is going to use the cloud computing. This example will clear all of your doubts. Suppose you want to open one e-commerce company, and in this e-commerce company and you have some amount of money, and you have to maintain the sales department, you have to maintain the marketing department, and you have to maintain IT infrastructures, but you have the limited amount of money. Then you must be thinking, is there anyone who can provide me IT infrastructures such that we can manage the sales and marketing department? Yes, cloud computing. So what is a cloud? So over here, this cloud is nothing but they are providing you as IT infrastructure. So now you don't have to worry about it. You can focus for sales and marketing. You don't have to focus about the IT infrastructures. So they are supporting you. So whatever the bank applications that you people are using right now, it comes under cloud computing. The Facebook, it is an example of cloud computing. These all are nothing but clouds computing. Here we have the different types of services of cloud computing. We have the SaaS, we have the PaaS, we have the IaaS. What is SaaS? Software as a service. What is PaaS? Platform as a service. What is IaaS? Infrastructure as a service. Let's talk about SaaS, software as a service. Here this is the user. This user does not have its own software, but this user depends on companies. Companies have their own software. So this user is using their software with the help of an interface. Example, your Gmail. Gmail software, it has not been into your mobile. No, that is nothing but an interface. Gmail software is maintained by Google. So Google maintains all the softwares. You are using just Gmail with an interface. That is nothing but SaaS. Let's talk about PaaS, platform as a service. Whenever the user is asking, give me some platform. What is the platform? Give me some platform for execution. Here you are asking for execution. You have your own software. For example, in first year, you may have written the few lines of code, or you have written some 4 or 5 lines of C programming. Now you want to execute this C programming. Then you are giving to some another person. That person has the platform. For example, the Google provides platform for Java execution. So you are writing the Java program, but you don't have the platform for execution. You are giving this to Google for execution. Then it comes under PaaS. Let's talk about the last one, infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service, whenever the user is asking, give me some infrastructure, give me some server, give me some storage, then it comes under infrastructure as a service. So these all are different types of services of cloud computing. Let's try to understand what type of questions UPSC can frame from this topic. to have the taste of that question, here this is the question. Consider the following statements about cloud computing. Statement 1, public cloud, it is a dedicated shareable storage. Statement 2, private cloud, it is a dedicated storage. Which of the following is are correct for above statements? Option A, 1 only, option B, 2 only, option C, 1 and 2, option D, none of the above. As I have explained you, public cloud, it is a shareable storage, but it is not dedicated. It is not dedicated to one organization. It is a shareable storage between amongst or different types of users. So it is a shareable storage, that is true, but not dedicated. Dedicated things will relate to an organization. So user or a public, it is not an organization. So option 1 or statement 1, which is wrong. Let us try to understand the second statement. Private cloud. Private relates with organization, and in the statement they have given private cloud, it is a dedicated storage. Organization, dedicated to organization. Hence, second statement is true. If you will go by the option B is a true answer for this questions. Thanks for watching this video. This video is possible just because of our beloved CMD, Mr. GK sir. So, for more updates and for more videos, keep watching. Thank you.